Let me cater to you. Let me cater to
So back, I had a baby, you know. I did the mother thing, I did the wife thing, all that, yeah.
I am your girl CBunny. If you haven't already, go on and hit that subscribe button. Like, it's free. So you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I accomplished the skunk look, which is very, very popular these days on Instagram and all that. And yeah, it's just basically like the 2 stripes, but you got to get it right and even. But sis, I got you. I'm gonna show you all of that on how I did it, about the hair and all of that, because I was like, I need to try something different. My daughter was like, Mom, why you don't try the skunk look? And I was like, okay, because I was seeing it like all over Instagram and stuff. So I'm like, let me just try it and give it a look, something different. So yeah, that's what I did. And if you want to see how I accomplished that, go ahead and continue watching this video. All the information about the hair, everything like that. And also, you guys, don't forget to check out my website, CBunny Beauty. These are some new lashes that I am rocking today. I got all different types of lashes on my website, so I'm gonna leave that link down below. And don't forget, you will get a coupon code as well in the description box. So yeah, let's just jump into this video. Let me just stop rambling, sis. Okay. Let's get straight into it. Let me tell you more about this hair. This is a Amazon wig. This company, Ainmeys store, sent me this hair. This is a 20-inch Brazilian body wave lace front wig. This is a 13x4 HD, yes, sis, HD transparent lace wig. This is 9A hair, 150% density, unprocessed hair, you guys. So yes, and so you guys seen how I began to like use my stick and like push all the hair back for the flyaways. That's to start like plucking the hairline, even though they claimed the hairline was pre-plucked, which I could say it was pre-plucked because I didn't have to do a lot. It wasn't a lot of hair, but it was enough, sis. And it's just probably from my preference how much I did want to pluck. So now you guys, I decided to go ahead and put the hair into sections just to get this thing even, get these stripes, even though I had the wig a little bit tilted, but I promise you guys my stripes was very, very even. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, trying to get it together. Playing with it. So my sister asked for her assistance just to make sure that I wasn't tripping, just to make sure that it was even, and it wasn't. So we had to move it over a little bit. And now you guys, I decided to use my clear wrap just to protect the other hair so it won't have any bleach or anything on it. So now you guys, I'm mixing the my activation and the powder. I used BW powder. I wanted to use 40, but I didn't have a lot, sis. I tried to get some out there bottle, but it didn't have nothing but like a drop or 2 in there. So yes, I ended up using 30. Now I am mixing the bowl, and now I already skipped that part and already decided to go ahead and do one side already. So you guys see, I am using a small brush. You want to use a small brush when you're doing something like this, and like to really take your time and really pat on the bleach. You don't want to rush it. As you can see on the side, it still was a little hair out, so that's why I said you want to take your time like doing this, because you don't want to rush it, because you want your stuff to be right, sis. Okay. So you guys, if you hear my ceiling fan, I'm so sorry. It's always hot in my house during when the early daytime, like it be so hot. So I'm sorry if you hear my little fan or whatever, but and then the air on, y'all, so it's crazy. But anyways, like I said, you guys, I'm just taking my time. And yeah, I made a mess. It's all over my little house coat. And don't judge my house coat, sis, with the sheets on them. Actually, this is my grandma. May she rest in peace. It's actually my grandma house coat. And yeah, I'm just comfortable and just really vibing, you guys, and taking my time on doing this style. So And then you guys, I went through and like just combed through and just took my fingers through. I'm gonna comb through it as well, but I'm just taking my fingers through it, and now you see that I am combing through it just to make sure that it received all the bleach. As you can see, one side I already had turned. You guys, I had skipped that part when I had washed it, but I would say the con about this hair, I love the hair, don't get me wrong, it did not hold a curl as well, but I did go in and like pin the curls up after I did it, and it was the next day that I did apply the wig, but you guys can see it did not hold a curl. So this is the next day, you guys. I didn't do the ball cap method on camera, because if you want to see that, just let me know if you want to see the way I do it, y'all. I haven't really found a way that I really like doing it. Everybody do their stuff different, and you just got to go with what you're comfortable with, and you know, and then you get your little groove of how you like doing your things as far as applying your wigs and stuff. So yes, I just use that comb, use a hot comb to like comb it back before I start applying the Ghost Bun glue. Yes, I'm using the Ghost Bun glue, sis. Yes. So now I'm not going to let this dry all the way. I know they say that you're supposed to wait till it turn white or clear, whatever. I didn't wait till that. I was watching this girl. She took a class from Arrogant Tay, and she was saying you don't supposed to let it get all the way dry, and which I found that like when I was doing my research, and I used to watch everybody's videos, I'm like, why would you let it dry? Why you won't just go ahead and put it on? It made much sense of the way he doing it, because I always thought that way too. Like, why not apply it before it turns white? You using so much damn glue, but it is what it is. So yeah. So now you guys, I began to cut off the lace. I had to cut off more lace. This is another method. Like, this is another thing I need to like practice on a little bit. Like, cutting this lace right. I'm so bad with cutting, but it still came out pretty good. And now you guys see that I did go in using my favorite stuff in the whole wide world is the Got To Be spray. I use that on top of the lace, and yes, I am killing myself with this blow dryer and making sure it stays, because I did keep this style a couple of days than I normally would, and it stayed on. It lasts. This my way of how I do it, and it lasts this. So yeah. Lace is off. Now I took out my baby hairs I'm going to be using, and I found this another method as well to curl your baby hairs so you can get that flow of when you swooping your baby hairs. Also, that's what I am doing, and you really can cut it and then flat iron it, but I find this way much easier. It's already bent once I cut the baby hairs, so yes, I don't have to curl it again once it's short or whatever, because it still got that little bend to it or whatever. And then you guys, I use my booster edge stuff to do my baby hairs with. I didn't show it, and I used the green one. I forgot what exactly one it is, but that's the one I used, the lime green looking jar. So yeah, and that's what I am doing right now. I wasn't too perfect on these baby hairs today, because one side looked better than the other. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, it is what it is. It still came out cute to me, so it is what it is. And just to secure it, I went in again with my Got To Be, of course, to make sure they lay down. Of course, I use my CBunny edge scarf. It's still available on my website, so if you like to purchase one, you can. All information is in the description box, sis. And now I am unraveling, taking out the pins for the curls. The curls still wasn't as tight, like I said, but yeah, it is what it is. So now you guys, I took my hot comb and just to lay my hair down at the top so it can be extra flat. I did go in and use my powder as well for the parting, and yes, this is it. I didn't pre-plug the part or anything like that. I just used that. I did go in with my powder around the lace, but this is the finishing look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.